now.
All right, my name is Chris from Silver Linings. We're out here at 2913 Witterton. It's November 24th. It's about 65 degrees out. We're going to be repairing this shingle. I have the roof snake, which is the approved tool for the 3-tab. First, I would need to unseal these shingles. Take the nails out. I'm going to be looking for any kind of consequential damage that happens during the repair. So we're going to start right now. Just lift this up, see where the shingle begins and ends. Okay, so that's in here. The nails already tore through on that one.
You want a pit chopper?
Yeah, that might help.
There. Oh, still. Ooh, I see a lot of mat transfer.
See some mat transfer here. Alright. Could you pass me one of the new shingles if you can?
Okay. Also check the shingles that are underneath the mat transfer as well.
Show you what we have here. Let's compare it against the new one. Lines everything matches up.
I'll take the old one out of your way. Let me get a few close-ups of your mat transfer really quick. Nice big clumps.
You could see. You could also see under here. And gently slide this new shingle into place. That's all lined up. Still have to lift this up gently just the rest of the way to nail it in. Alright, so we're gonna hand seal the rest of this down. We will check back in about a week to see how it held up. You can see some of the damage that was caused across the top line here as a result of the pear. The mat transfer along the bottom too. See a huge part missing there. See that as well. You see the line across the top here and here, as well as here on this one starting to crease. You can also see the tearing, some of the areas of the shingle as well, leaving holes for the